Namaskar. My name is J. Selvaraj. I am in the field of borewell drilling totally 30 years. On the drilling section, still now is there. I came to divining 15 years before. I came to YouTube 2013. When I am coming YouTube, not that much famous, but that time itself some special diviners there. As per my knowledge, I am trying to give some general information about the borewell. This testing is going on in Telangana. This is a demo video. See, overall India, they are facing lot of problem for water. So many lakhs of diviners available in India. I am also one of the person. What I know, just I am sharing to you. What I try to tell you means, I am doing site inspection method is costly rate. For economically, we can do online point is best solution. If you come to site inspection method, it will be guarantee 90%. When you're doing online point, it will be only 40%. In site inspection, I can say I am specialist, but I can't tell in online point. I'm not that much famous. I severely did in Quran. Then I can tell you is really came water or not, I can inform you. Same like you have one old borewell. In that borewell, you have to go further drilling or not. For that also useful for online point. Then you got motor struck, it got down, it's cut off. Okay, in that case also we can spend for money for getting the borewell, whether is useful or not. Yes, water is there, you can take the motor, you can use it. Yes, water is there, you take the motor, you can do re-drilling, you may get benefit. We can tell that. Okay. Then any business, there is so many competitor will be there. Even this also there is competition. Okay, but I have fixed my rate 8 years before, not now. Still not now, I change it. You just see in popular video, MME borewell popular video. In the description I mentioned all my rates. So far, no one not mentioned like that. Okay, I think they may follow my rate, I don't know. Why I put means, before making calls, let them see the description. They can make out somehow. If they are in budget, they can do it. So I feel it is more. That's why on Corona times I start to do online point. This is cheaper for customer, little easy for me also. When you're traveling, health wise get affect. So you send me your map of your agricultural land. I can judge somehow. Now I may giving 40%. In future I may give 100% also. It will be possible. I am studying it, I'm studying it, I'm searching it, I'm searching it. We'll see. So, thanks to my subscribers. Actually, I got 10,000 subscribers. But I feel that is for me 1 lakh. Okay, it's enough. What God is given is enough. We'll see. Who are seeing this video, if you're not subscribed, you can subscribe. It may useful for some other time. Okay. Then if you have any problems in Bangalore, they can call morning 9 to till night. But out of Bangalore customers, my humble request, please call 9 a.m. to 10 a.m. only. Okay. See, doing online point, main cooperation is I am expecting from the customer. He has to understand what I am saying. For that, I know the language of English, Tamil, and Kannada, no other languages. But I am trying it to learn Telugu, I am trying it to learn Hindi, I am trying it even Malayalam also. I know little, not much, but it won't solve the problem. If you know full, then we can solve the problem. So try to use the language of English and Tamil, Kannada. It's better, good for you and good for me. My number is 90-352-78897. I'll tell you once more, 90-352-78897. All is well, all is well. Thanks to so much given the cooperation, seen my video. Thanks for everyone with my subscribers also. It may get boring, but some information there if I feel. I am feeling some information there. Okay, any problem, try to contact me. I'll try to solve it.